What is up, YouTube? Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2026. I'm going to be going over today's price action and the one trade I ended up taking, banking $528.72 across my two funded accounts, each account making roughly $264 and some change. So let's jump into this recap. So going into market open, 9:30 comes, and we were roughly 150 points, I believe, from all-time highs. Let's see if I can measure it. 138, 137. So roughly 150 points away from all-time highs. So going into this session, I kind of told myself, if nothing on the 1 hour, nothing on the 4 hour presents that we are going to go lower, I'm not going to look for shorts. So I did exactly that. So going into market open, we didn't have any formed 4 hour gaps, but we did have 3 stacked hourly gaps. As you can see here, hourly gap here, and one more right here. What does price do when market opens? We come into all 3 of them perfectly. So I told myself, I was like, all right, if we can inverse 2 out of the 3, 3 out of the 3, maybe I'll flip biases and go target something to the downside. I would target, these session lows or the previous day low right here, but we did not do that. We came into all 3 of them and got a beautiful rejection out of them. So I was looking for an inverse from the 1 to 5 minute to the upside to target these unfilled gaps and all-time high right up here. So if we go to the 5 minute, I did catch my inverse on the 5 minute, but I did wait a little while because we did have news at 10 a.m., which caused this data wick, this data low all the way down here, and also created another 5 minute down here previously this morning. So I did wait a little while due to the fact that, news, we haven't had fucking orange folder or red folder news in like the last 2 weeks. So I kind of expected the news to give the market some volatility, which is exactly what it did. People who were probably in longs here probably got break even rated or stop rated. Luckily that wasn't me. So I waited for a bearish 5 minute to form another retracement to the downside that also did tap into a previously made bullish 5 minute. We got the inversion right here at 10:35. Obviously stop at the low, break even at the swing high. Targeting, originally I was targeting all-time highs, but as you can see, like I said, we entered this trade at 10:35. Normally, once you get to that 10:30, 10:50 macro range, price starts to slow down. As you can see, I was in this trade for what, 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, almost an hour. And exiting this trade, at 11:15. Because I did move my take profit down to a 1-to-1 risk to reward rather than waiting almost another hour for price to come up to previous all-time highs. But we take our piece of the pie and we run with it. And yeah, that is today's trade recap. Hope y'all enjoyed watching. If I take a trade tomorrow, y'all will be the first people to see it. If not, I will see y'all in the next trade recap. Peace.